All right, back to homesteading things. Now, one of the things that's so important to me is authenticity. It's really, I don't know how to be anybody else. I'm not here influencing shit. I'm going to put a couple of things in comments and stuff so that you can see links to where I get stuff, because this is homesteading on a shoestring. Blood, sweat, and tears type of style. One of the very few things that I treated myself to is the Crate and Barrel dishes and plates and collection, the Mercer collection, because I love it so much. And it's the one super bougie thing I have other than my dining room table. But yeah, I work hard for absolutely everything I have. I don't take anything for granted. My outfit I bought in a fill-a-bag for $10. Fill-a-bag for $10. I am basically a content manager for Novartis. I work remote. I'm very grateful. And I work in oncology and rare diseases. It's really fun. It's not depressing and terrifying at all. My boss just told me the other day, because like I said, I work in oncology, and she wants me to be the face of prostate cancer. Ooh. I hope they come out with a gonorrhea project next, right? Like, that's my lot in life, to be the face of prostate cancer. But while we're talking about faces, look, y'all, like, I am not going to be the homesteading page that has it all together. I am a hot ass mess. I have adult braces. My eyebrows will never be on fleek. Most of the time my hair isn't even washed. My legs haven't been shaved in I don't remember how long. My double chin will come out to say hi every once in a while, and just for added fun, I got white girl booty. I don't know if you can see it, but it's all the magic where it's like flat across it, and then like all the way at the bottom is where the surprise is, like all the way at the end. Thank you, gravity. Appreciate you. So that's what we're doing here. Now getting back to homesteading. Look at this beautiful meal, this beautiful breakfast I prepared for myself. I have sauteed spinach and onion and garlic. I have brown rice. I have eggs. I have avocados that are entirely past their prime, but they're super expensive, so I'm not wasting them. So I have brown avocados. Let's see. And some sriracha, so that we don't, so that we don't have to actually taste it. Let's see. And kale. No, really, it's not bad. It's not bad. I am going to be incorporating, because I love me a good breakfast. I lived in Ireland for a minute. I could totally eat Irish breakfast every day. The potatoes, the mushrooms, the tomatoes, the beans, the bread. Oh my gosh, the eggs. I could eat that every day, and I would be like, not in the shape that I'd like to be in. And like I said, we're super body positive here. For me, I want to be like in the best shape of my life. Kind of like, I don't want to be swinging from the rafters necessarily like Pink, although I love you, sister, more power to you. It's completely amazing, but I want to know what my body's capable of. So I'm finally in a position in my life to find that out. And so I want to see. So just a matter of curiosity for me. What a blessing. To get older healthily, right? And so I'm not in competition with anybody but myself. I want us all to win. And I just want to see what I'm capable of becoming, and be capable of what I can do in full, fierce, female, unleashed power, what I can do. So let me go eat my breakfast.